In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Microsoft Teams connection issues, a task that can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide to tackle those pesky connection troubles. First things first, whenever you encounter connectivity issues with Microsoft Teams, the very initial step you should take is to check your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and running smoothly. This might seem obvious, but a weak or lost internet connection is often the root cause of many connectivity issues. A quick way to verify this is to open a web browser and try visiting a reliable website. If the site struggles to load, it's likely your internet that's causing the problem. You might want to check your modem or router and possibly even restart your devices to see if that helps restore the connection. Once you've ensured your internet is up and running perfectly, the next thing you'll want to do is restart your Microsoft Teams app. This can quickly resolve many temporary issues that occur within the app itself. Simply close the application completely and then reopen it. Giving the app a fresh start can often clear glitches or minor bugs that might be causing the connection issues. If restarting the app doesn't do the trick, then consider signing out of Teams and signing back in. This small action can reset your connection to the server. Go to your profile picture at the top of the app, select Sign Out, and then sign back in with your credentials. This process often helps re-establish a fresh connection pathway with the Teams servers. Should these steps still leave you with the issue, it's time to clear the Teams cache. Here's how you do it. First, make sure to close the Teams app completely. Then you need to locate and delete the contents of the cache folder. You'll find this by navigating to the present app data % on Microsoft Teams cache on your computer. Deleting these cache files will help get rid of corrupted or outdated data. Don't worry about deleting these, as Teams will rebuild them when needed. Next on our troubleshooting journey is to check if OneDrive is running and that you're signed in. Teams relies on OneDrive for file storage and sharing, so if OneDrive isn't properly running, it could cause issues. Make sure the app is open and signed in to your account. Furthermore, keeping both Teams and OneDrive updated to their latest versions can help avoid many connectivity issues. Developers continuously work on patches and updates that resolve known issues, so running the latest software is always a good practice. Lastly, if after going through all these steps you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to reach out to your IT support team. They're equipped with more advanced tools and expertise to diagnose and solve the problem efficiently. By following these steps, I hope you'll be back to enjoying a seamless experience with Microsoft Teams in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.